Hey, and welcome to Crypto World, a channel where all we do is talk about crypto. Before we start, we would kindly ask you to give this video a like if we were able to deliver some value to you, and also feel free to subscribe to our channel at any given time. One last thing before we start, please remember that this video is not financial advice, and we are not financial advisors. So before you invest any money, please do your own research. That being said, to the video now. Today we'll tell you everything you need to know about Monsta Infinite, so here we go. You know what, guys? NFT fans will have a new game to look forward to in 2022, according to recent announcements. If you enjoy collecting adorable creatures in NFT games, this is a game you should definitely check out. According to the official timeline, the platform will launch its marketplace and a minigame in October 2021, followed by the main game's public premiere in Q1 2022. Monsta Infinite is based on another NFT game, Axie Infinity, whose producers claim is a less expensive alternative to the popular NFT game. First of all, before going any further, we should understand what is Monsta Infinite. So what is Monsta Infinite? In the fast-growing play-to-earn GameFi arena, Monsta Infinite is a developing NFT game to grow, battle, and progress. In the game, the player builds monster teams of beautiful animals and battles the enemy. As they defeat these creatures, players will be rewarded with in-game goods and Stamen Tellus tokens, STT, a digital asset that symbolizes the in-game economy. Players may also train their Monsta in Dozo, a PvP battleground where they can compete for a variety of rewards. In addition to battle and training game types, Monsta Infinite will include robust Monsta creation and trade tools, as well as a variety of microeconomics. The new NFT game combines a turn-based card fighting system with match-3 puzzles in one competitive game for players to enjoy. Monsta Infinite will feature monstas, little animals who predate dinosaurs and dwell in a world called Shani. When they are threatened by an enemy known as Jilaka, these monstas summon the Inception Monsta to help them defeat the enemy. When playing Monsta Infinite, players must essentially gather adorable creatures as well as tokens known as moni. Now let's talk a bit about the Monsta Infinite token. The NFT game will employ the Monsta Infinite token, or moni. Moni is a governance token on the Binance Smart Chain with a total supply of 270 million, according to an article by Play to Earn. Moni holders can collect prizes by staking their tokens, playing the game, or voting in critical governance elections, according to the report. Players may also earn money by participating in the Monsta Infinite universe's many games. On September 8, 2021, the Moni presale began. A Moni token costs 15 cents in the presale. Who created Monsta Infinite? Moni. The game is being built by a team of close to a dozen individuals operating out of Singapore and Malaysia. This includes CEO Jin Tan and CTO HK Chong. Much of the team comes from tech, blockchain, and/or gaming backgrounds and has a passion for building products that empower the community. What makes Monsta Infinite Moni so unique? Let's discuss it. So, what makes Monsta Infinite Moni unique? Monsta Infinite was founded with the intention of disrupting the play-to-earn market. In truth, it implies they're searching for an accessible, updatable, and customizable gaming concept that's exciting, engaging, and long-lasting. Monsta Infinite includes a lot of unique characteristics that set it distinct from other space games to aid with this, consisting of ELO system in Monsta Infinite. Unlike many other blockchain games with PvP components, Monsta Infinite uses both a level system and an ELO to ensure that players may only play against other players who are in the same level range as them. This feature is intended to make players feel more at ease by ensuring that they will not go up against highly powerful opponents. The approach assures that the competition is fair and that the awards are distributed equally. Extremely customizable in Monsta Infinite. The head, face, chest, tail, arms, and legs make up Monsta's body. They may be developed by sacrificing other Monstas and consuming resources such as STT and nuts earned by defeating enemies in PvE. This allows the player to regulate the Monsta population while also forming a stronger squad. Anti-bot mechanism. Bots are a major issue in earning games, as players frequently try to automate the resource and item harvest using a number of tactics. Monsta Infinite masters this obstacle with a mystery puzzle-style game concept that provides players a boost, strength, when they win, ensuring that actual players always have an advantage over bots. Population control. Monsta Infinite is different from other blockchain games in that the rate of Monsta population expansion is tightly controlled. The idea is to ensure that the creatures retain their worth for the player over time while avoiding inflation. Safety. Monsta Infinite incorporates a variety of ways to address players' safety concerns as a game aims to give a safe way to generate money and save time. Building a sidechain wallet on Binance Smart Chain and enabling two-factor authentication to entirely prevent seed or private key spoofing attacks are both included. Two-token economy. The game's economy consists of two tokens, moni and STT. Holders of the moni governance token can vote on and stake out critical choices to generate passive income and dividends. The overall offer from moni will be established. STT, on the other hand, is used to purchase in-game items as well as combine monstas along with money. This token may be obtained by participating in games or purchasing it on a third-party exchange. Soundtrack. Monsta Infinite is unique among blockchain games in that it features a custom-made music. The first track, Mirror of Resentment, is available on the YouTube official Monsta Infinite channel. How does Monsta Infinite work? Monsta Infinite is built on many of the elements that have been tried in other popular NFT games, such as Axie Infinity, Decentraland, and CryptoKitties. But it has been tuned for long-term viability and contains many of its own enhancements. To begin playing, players will need 3 Monstas to form a complete squad. This might be regular Monstas or any of the more unusual Inception Monstas. The first batch of Monsta was developed and it is known as Inception Monsta. They are the game's rarest NFT Monstas with the possibility to own legendary body parts. Based on the sequence specified by the owner, each Inception Monsta has an ID number ranging from 1 to 4088. These Monstas are all one of a kind and exist as NFTs. Monsta Infinite is a turn-based combat game that allows the user to fight foes by combining the greatest Monstas and their associated skill cards. Unlike other games, Monsta may individually target each opponent on the opposing side, substantially increasing the strategy factor for winning games. Players utilize the talents of randomly shuffled cards to engage in combat by employing additional spells on their team to attack or weaken other teams in this turn-based card battling game. Monstas do not renew naturally, thus players must employ sophisticated technology to manufacture new Monstas by combining 2 Monstas and STT tokens. Cloning necessitates the use of both STT and moni tokens. Monsta Infinite is a fighting game with open-world elements such as resource collection and skill development. Designers in the game may develop both aesthetic and functional things based on their design. This procedure also results in the creation of an advertising tool that can be utilized for promotional offers and PvP. Today, price of Monsta Infinite, moni. The live Monsta Infinite price today is around $1.91 USD. The current coin market cap ranking is 837, with a live market cap of 25,707,051 USD. It has a circulating supply of 13,476,519 moni coins, and a maximum supply of 270 million moni coins. But of course, until you'll see this video, then the numbers will probably be different, so take a look again. Now let's talk about the Monsta Infinite coin worth and earning potential. According to Monsta Infinite, one Binance coin, BNB, equals 2,400 moni. The price of a moni is 15 cents according to Cryptonomics, and the first 400 whitelisted members with a minimum donation of 1 BNB will have first dibs. Players may earn money by competing in PvP fights and climbing up the leaderboards, earning prizes along the way. Farming for in-game assets that can be sold on exchanges is also an option for players. They may also be sold on the marketplace since they can clone Monstas. Players can also buy virtual real estate that they can use for virtual events. Rare, legendary, and Inception Monstas are all worth a lot of money, therefore collecting and selling them will net the player a lot of money. Given the massive growth that existing NFT games are seeing, Monsta Infinite may be able to find success in the cryptocurrency market as well, especially given its focus on providing chances to players regardless of their wealth. Okay guys, this is all we have about Monsta Infinite. Hopefully we were able to deliver any value to you guys. If you feel this way, then please give this video a big like and subscribe to our channel. Moreover, if you want to see more videos like this one, then please let us know in the comments down below. We will see you on the next video guys, and until then, thank you for watching.